Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to fix when you're opening the JioCinema app on your phone. At that time guys, you are facing this kind of error. Oops, something went wrong. Please try again. So error code is 126 126 126 as you can see guys in my screen. So let's see how to fix this irritating error on your app. So close the app first. After closing, restart your phone. After restarting, now you need to check your internet connection of your phone. If the internet connection is not good, at that time you can definitely 100% face this type of problem. So if your internet connection is good, afterwards you're facing this type of problem, open the app. You need to log out your account one time and re-log in it once again. Okay, doing this guys, it will fix your issue. Still, in case you are facing same type of problem, now you can try the next method. Open the Google Play Store on your phone. If you don't update your app, just simply search the JioCinema app and update it. Okay, after updating, it will fix your issue. So another basic thing is this guys, you need to check your phone internal storage. If the phone internal storage is almost full, you can also face this kind of problem on your app. Also, you need to check your phone's date and time is correct or not. If the time and date was incorrect, you can also get this type of problem. Just correct your phone date and time and open the app. So these are the basic and simple method to fix this issue. Okay, so hope this any of them will work with you. So if you enjoy our video, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.